guys, so today I'm going to be doing a video on 10 things to do to prepare yourself for braces. So yeah, I'm just going to be talking about some ways that you can prepare yourself before getting braces or on the day that you're going to get braces, just to prepare yourself. When it actually came to the day, I didn't know what to expect and I was like totally in pain and I was just like, it was chaos the day that I went to go get my braces. So the first thing is take a pain reliever. Take a Tylenol or Advil just so you could not feel the pain after you get braces. You don't feel you don't feel pain when you're getting your braces on, but you do feel pain when like a couple hours later. And it's very minimal, but the next morning it hurts so much. So yeah, just take a pain reliever so you won't have to feel the pain of soreness like a few hours later after you get your braces. So yeah. Okay, so the second tip is bring chapstick. If you don't bring chapstick, your lips are going to be super dry. And yeah, I don't know what to tell you. It's going to be like the Sahara Desert. It's going to be super dry. Yeah, that's all I gotta say. So bring a lot of chapstick. So the third tip that I have is eat all the food that you will not be able to eat after you get your braces. So stock up on, just eat junk food, eat apples, eat chips, eat nachos, eat Takis, eat anything that you can before getting braces. Because after you get braces, your teeth are going to be so sore. Trust me, they're going to be so sore. You're not going to be able to chew on bread. Trust me, you're not going to be able to chew on bread. You're not going to be able to chew on Takis or your chips or candy. Just eat them before you can. Because you're gonna not be able to eat it afterwards. The fourth tip is watch a lot of YouTube videos about braces before getting your braces, because that really helped me out. Getting a lot of different opinions from different YouTubers really helped me out, like to think like how to prepare myself. So I really was like, okay, I'm gonna prepare myself emotionally and everything. I'm just gonna be like, okay, what was other people's experiences getting braces? So that's what I did to prepare myself when getting braces. So yeah, watch a lot of YouTube braces videos. So the fifth thing is, I have a tip. Okay, so the fifth tip is some people might be like, oh, I don't want to get braces because the way I'm gonna look, oh, my friends are gonna make fun of me, or like people at school are gonna make fun of me. This is for only the people who have to get braces forcefully because their teeth are really bad and they want to get them. Like if you're dealing with like, oh, people are going to make fun of me, think of the benefits. Think of the bright side, okay? Your teeth are going to look amazing afterwards. So think about the benefits. Just prepare yourself emotionally and mentally. Like, okay, actually my braces, they're going to be on for a while. A really long while or a really short while. But I'm going to have amazing results afterwards. So think about that. So the sixth tip is bring something to entertain yourself, because you're going to be waiting for a long time. I waited in the waiting room for about 2 hours, and I waited, they did my braces for like an hour and a half getting my braces on, but like 2 hours. So yeah, bring something that's going to keep you entertained, whether it's a book, a crossword puzzle, just something, and bring your phone to be fully charged and a charger to keep you entertained, because honey, you are going to be bored out of your mind, and all they have is cartoons on. So yeah, bring something to entertain yourself. So the seventh tip to prepare yourself for braces, and by the way, these tips are for braces and the day that you're gonna get braces. So yeah. Okay, so the seventh tip is keep in mind what color you're going to want, because they ask you on the spot before you even getting your braces on. They ask you what color you have in mind because they have to get everything prepared. So yeah, keep in mind what color you're gonna want already. So the eighth tip is stock up on soft foods, because you're not going to be able to eat hard food, guys. So if you go home and you're starving, you're not going to have nothing to eat. So stock up on some soft foods beforehand so you could already have some at home. And trust me, if you go afterwards, you're going to be in a bad mood. And you're going to, like, your head's just going to start hurting because of the soreness and the tightness. So yeah, stock up on soft foods. The ninth tip is be prepared for maintenance, guys. Buy your water flosser or whatever that is called, I forgot what it's called. Buy a new toothbrush, get some wax, get some floss, get some toothpaste, get the water flosser, let's see, what's the other thing called? Just get anything that you think you're going to need for braces just get the maintenance things for braces. So yeah, so you can be prepared. So you can be prepared already, because the dentist does give you some stuff to work with the braces, but not all the time. So yeah, guys, stack up on some maintenance things for your braces. That's like so weird, but trust me. So finally, the 10th tip is just relax, guys. Just relax. Working yourself up for getting your braces is like crazy, because you're just gonna get them on and there, that's it. So just relax, and yeah, basically that's it. So I hope you guys like this video. Please comment down below what else you guys would like to see next. Make sure to like, subscribe, and comment. So yeah, guys, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. Bye.